Mastering the art of peer review and feedback in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on language functions in academic and professional contexts. Today, we are going to delve into a crucial aspect of academic communication, specifically under summarizing and paraphrasing. The topic at hand? Peer review and feedback. So buckle up, and let's enhance your language skills together. Peer review and feedback are key elements in academic and professional communication. Whether you're in a college setting or part of a professional team, you'll often need to give and receive feedback on work. Now, it's important to understand that peer review is a critical evaluation of a colleague's work. It could be a document, a project, or even a speech. Feedback, on the other hand, is an essential part of this process where you provide constructive comments and suggestions for improvement. In an English-speaking academic or professional context, expressing your peer review clearly and respectfully is crucial. Let's take a look at some phrases commonly used. In my view, the main argument could be strengthened if the author makes a compelling point about X. However, they could further elaborate on Y. Upon reviewing the material, I suggest incorporating more recent studies. Using these phrases can help you deliver your peer review with clarity and precision. Providing constructive feedback is just as essential. It helps the recipient understand how they can improve their work. Here are a few expressions to consider. It would be beneficial to clarify your stance on X. I believe your argument would be more persuasive if you included, from my perspective, more concrete examples would help illustrate your point. Remember, the objective of feedback is to support growth, not to belittle or intimidate. Finally, receiving feedback graciously is a skill in itself. Acknowledge the feedback and show your appreciation. Use phrases like, "Thank you for your insightful comments. I appreciate your suggestions and will consider them for future revisions. Your feedback is valuable to me and I will make sure to take it into account." And that's a wrap for today's session on peer review and feedback. Remember, it's not just about critiquing someone's work. It's about doing it respectfully and constructively. It's also about receiving feedback with grace and appreciation. I hope you found this session useful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning, everyone!